What if I told you that one of the most powerful AI models in the world right now is completely open source? And not only that, you can use it for free with no limits starting today. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to access a state-of-the-art AI model that can outperform some of the top proprietary models in coding, reasoning, and real tool usage. This is not just another chatbot. This is a powerhouse. It can build full applications, create stunning visuals, generate interactive games, and even do deep research that would normally take you hours. And the best part? You don't need to install anything. No setup, no API keys, no credit card. This is the kind of information that actually changes the game. So make sure you watch till the end. I'll show you exactly how to get it by the end. Now, let's dive in. So what is this model? It's called GLM-4.7, the latest open source model from GU AI. And when I say this model is powerful, I really mean it. Forget the technical jargon for a moment. Let's talk about what it can actually do for you. It can design modern, high-end websites that look like they were built by a professional agency. It can create fully interactive 3D games that run directly in your browser. It can generate animated graphics and SVGs that bring your content to life. It can even build a complete browser-based operating system with multiple working applications. And on top of all that, it can act as your personal research assistant, reading academic papers and summarizing the key insights for you. One of the most impressive things about this model is how it thinks. It doesn't just respond, it reasons before it answers. It uses something called interleave thinking, which means it works through the problem step by step. It also has preserved thinking, so across multiple messages, it remembers what it was doing and doesn't lose context. This level of reasoning was earlier only available in very expensive closed source tools. Now here's how you use the apps it generates. You simply copy the code it gives you, paste it into Notepad, save the file with any name. Just make sure it ends with .html. Open it in your browser. That's it, your app is live. Now let's talk about the best part, how to use this completely for free. We're going to use a platform called LM Arena. LM Arena lets you test and compare different AI models, totally free. Here's what you do. Go to the website, open the direct chat section. In the model search bar, type GLM-4.7, and that's it. You now have unlimited free access to one of the most powerful AI models in the world. No installation, no APIs, no credit card. Just open your browser and start creating. The platform also allows different AI models to compete with each other. After each response, you rate the output. That's how rankings are decided. If you want, I can do a full dedicated video just on LM Arena because there are a lot of hidden features most people don't know about. Now let me show you what this model can actually do. First, let's start with something visual. I asked it to create an animated SVG butterfly. SVGs are vector graphics, and animating them properly is actually very difficult for most AI models. I asked for a symmetrical butterfly with smooth wing animations and a creative background. And here's the result. A clean symmetrical butterfly with natural fluid motion. This is what I call vibe coding. You don't need to explain every detail. The model understands intent. Next, let's push it even further. I asked it to create a fully functional 3D Minecraft-style game that runs directly in the browser. Think about how complex this is. 3D rendering, player controls, physics, block placement. Most models struggle badly here. GLM didn't. What you're seeing is a fully playable Minecraft-like game. You can walk, jump, place blocks, and break blocks. Everything works. This is honestly one of the best single prompt generations of a browser-based 3D game I've seen. Now let's try something even more complex. I asked it to build a browser-based operating system with 5 working applications and one special feature of its own choice. And within moments, we had a full OS running in the browser. It created a calculator, a notepad, a playable snake game, and as its special feature, a voice command system. You can literally say, "Open calculator," and it opens. This shows its ability to handle complex, multi-step projects without breaking. Finally, let's test research. I asked it to find the top 5 most cited AI research papers from the past year and summarize their main contributions. The result? A clean, easy to understand breakdown of major research across medical AI, foundation models, autonomous agents, evaluation frameworks, and computer vision. This is work that would take hours manually, done in minutes. Now let's quickly look at benchmarks. On SWE Bench Verified, it scores 73.8%, which is insane for an open source model. On tool use benchmarks, it actually beats models like Claude Sonnet and GPT-5 level systems. It supports a 200,000 token context window and massive outputs, meaning it can handle very long and complex tasks without losing track. And it's 4 to 7 times cheaper than proprietary models, while being fully open source. The numbers just confirm what we saw live. GLM-4.7 is a top-tier model, and you can use it for free. That's it for today. Let me know in the comments what you're going to build with GLM 4.7. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.